Good evening, viewers. It's Ali Paul once again. Today we'll be having off-shoulder, half-length gown. For the half-length, the waist to be a pleated waist and straight bottom. Firstly, it's going to be having lining, half lining. Just the upper side will have its own lining, and in that type of style we are going to cut the lining first. The inner one first, which is the lining, is what I'm going to use as a normal measurement because it's going to be a pleated the waist. We're going to cut the lining first, and after the lining is the lining I'll use in cutting the outer side, which is the outer side, that's the half length of the gown. The lining first. Now I've measured it. This is the chest. The chest is 5. This 5. Firstly is off shoulder. I'm taking 4 out, and the half length of the gown is, I'm using 16 and a half. 16 and a half or 16. The 4 is the sleeve, is the shoulder. So the 4 is out of it, and I'm starting from this 4. There's the breast point, which is 10. It has been rolled. There's the under bust, which is 14 under bust. It's 14 under bust. This 14 under bust. 14 under bust. I made it 14 1/4, and the full length is 16 and a half. And I added an half inch for the sewing allowance, which makes it 17. I'll be marking out the normal measurement now. The armhole, I'm going to make the armhole after measuring the bust. After measuring the bust is when I'm going to bring out the armhole. And now, the front part of lining has been cut, is off shoulder, and it will be having a bustier cut. The lining itself will be having a bustier from the armhole, princess bustier from the armhole, princess bustier. The front has been draft, and now this is the back side. The back side is the one here. So I'm supposed to make it equal. I'm supposed to make the cutting equal. Look at it, it's not equal. I'm supposed to make it equal, but since the back will not be having any bustier, it's just going to be having fishing at the waist side. And now I will remove 1 inch out from the front measurement. The back will be reduced by 1 inch, and I've cut it out straight like this. I've not shaped it out in order not to make mistake. I've cut it out in a straight line, and the back is being short with 1 inch. Now I've placed it. I'll start from the side to cut the back. Start from the side. Let me cut from normal shape. This shape, the back is being reduced by 1 inch. Now let me cut the back properly. Now I've balanced it again. You can see it's been short with 1 inch. Since it's not going to have princess bustier or princess cut at the back, and it's not going to be having zip at the back. If it were to be having zip, I would have the normal measurement would have been there, but no zip at the back. The zip is at the front side. If it were to be having a zip, I would have let it be. Now it has been set. Let me cut out I've taken out the 1 inch from the back side, since the back will not be having any measurement, any princess cut. That's that. See, I'm going to use the back armhole as the normal measurement. What I need is 5 inches armhole, and I've gotten the 5 inches and 3/4, half inches for sewing allowance, half inches for sewing allowance. That's it. You can make it 3/4 the sewing allowance. This is normal measurement. See, the back is bigger, and by the time I'll be taking out the princess bustier, it will fall in the same shape. Did you see that? Did you see that? And now I'll be gumming it with ST. This paper ST here. This paper ST, I can use this, or I use this normal ST, or I use this normal ST, whichever. Close the back side. Leave the back side. Back side is not as wide as the front side, because it's just going to have the fishing. This is the front side. I'm going to use the back side to cut the measurement of the normal cloth. This is the normal measurement in the back. I'm going to use it for this. Or if you can measure it off it and add a little allowance you want to add, it's okay. This is it. This is the back. I'm using the back for the normal measurement. I'm doing the back as the normal measurement of the back. This is the cloth. So I'm going to plait it. See it. You can see it. I'm going to plait it. So I make it gathers. It's just how I'm going to do it. It's just pleated waist, not all over the body that will be pleated. It's just the waist. The waist side will be pleated. You leave ½ inch allowance under to make it a little bit bulb. To make it a little bit bulb. Understand? To make it a little bit bulb. The ½ inch. ½ inch to make it a little bit bulb. Understand? Just ½ inch. ½ inch. It. So if I pleat it, or you make it gathers, it will fall to the normal measurement of the, and this side will be a little bit free. To be a little bit free. To be a little bit free. You see the bust. It's okay. It's 39. The back is 36 bucks. This 36, 9 plus 36 exactly. To be a little bit free and not very tight. To be a little bit bulb and pleated or gathers. I don't know. That's the way you do it. That's the way you do it. That's the way you cut the back. The front, you use this one that you have just done to cut the front side. And the lining, you put your princess bustier. You just okay. Let me do that now. Like some people, they are princess bustier. After carving it out here, they make it like this, and then this place will be straight. Carve it out, and this place will be. But mine is not like that. Mine, the two sides will be curved. Not on the straight line. I've carved it out. Let me show you. way I do mine. Sorry. Right, am I? But some people, they don't do it like this. This is where I do mine. I want to take it like this. And then go that way. And then go that way. You see that? Alright, see you next time. Always subscribe to my channel, Alipo Signature. See you next time, and bye for now.